Adjust the stitch length using the stitch length dial. The stitch length is infinitely variable from 0.7 and 4 mm. Most overlock work is done with a basic setting of 2.5 mm. The suitable stitch length for roll hems and narrow seams is 0.7 to 1.5 mm. Adjusting the cutting width adjusting dial. Turn the power switch off before adjusting the cutting width adjusting dial. If the material edge does not reach the seam, increase the cutting width. If the material edge projects from the seam or curls, decrease the cutting width adjusting dial. Overlocking width is set in conjunction with the adjustment of the lower knife position. It is also possible to finely adjust the overlocking width separately. The material edge does not reach the seam. Turn the tweak width adjustment knob in the direction of decreasing the overlocking width. The material edge projects from the seam or curls. Turn the tweak width adjustment knob in the direction of increasing the overlocking width. The differential feed adjustment dial produces perfect seaming on stretch or closely woven fabrics. Turn the dial to a smaller number for nylon or tightly woven fabrics. The differential feed adjustment dial produces perfect seaming on stretch or closely woven fabrics. Turn the dial to a larger number for knits or stretch fabrics. When sewing thick cloth, increase the presser foot pressure regulating knob. Turn the presser foot pressure regulating knob to the right to increase the pressure. For thick fabrics, such as denim and tweed, align the edge display line to top edge of the top cover. When sewing sheer fabrics, reduce the presser foot pressure regulating knob. Turn the presser foot pressure regulating knob to the left to reduce the pressure. For light fabrics such as georgette and lawn, align the L display line to top edge of the top cover. To carry out sewing without cutting the materials, deactivate the upper knife. Turn the power switch off before deactivating the upper knife. Turn the upper knife changeover knob. Make sure the upper knife is down. When sewing without the upper knife, be careful not to move the cloth to the right side of the upper knife. To cut the material, pull back the knob and turn the hand wheel until the upper knife comes to the original position.